Welcome everyone to another video. Today, this video is for those people who have passion in their life, a love for achieving something in their life, to do something in their life. This is not for those who have no passion to do anything in their life. That passion could be getting a job, buying something big, traveling some faraway places, and many more. So, as you already know, we are here talking about passion. Many of you who are watching this video, must have some passion in your life for which you are going on and moving ahead, pushed up every day to work for that. Let us know in the comments section below how many of you are passionate and about what. Passion is something that motivates you to work the other day. Many great people whom we knowingly or unknowingly follow and want to be like them, have passion in them to achieve success in their life, and so they are successful now. There are many YouTubers whom we follow nowadays, many actors whom we follow, many business persons whom we follow, whose ideas we follow, and so on. For example, nowadays many people are following the yoga guru Swami Ramdevji. Why? Because we want to keep ourselves healthy, mentally and physically to fight the pandemic. We follow many business people like Mark Zuckerberg, Mukesh Ambani, Bill Gates, and there are lots of more people. Why? Because they are successful business people. They all had a passion, and so, they achieved success and became popular. Many people don't want to lose their job to lead a life of their own. So, here we are providing you a platform with the help of which you can follow your passion. You are going to definitely get success. You can find all the details inside the website. The website link is given in the description. You can read all the details there and join instantly. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share this video so that it can reach the people who are in much need of this system. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notification. So, stay tuned and stay updated. So, if you have watched this video till now and found this video helpful, then you can comment and let us know what did you find helpful in this video. Also, remember to share this video if you like it so that it will reach the needy people. There are lots of people out there who are in need of this system nowadays. Due to the pandemic, many people have lost their job, many people are there who are in search of a job, also there are people whose income is not sufficient enough for their survival. So, for them this system will be of great help. You never know, you might be helping them smile by sharing this video if it reaches them. So, don't forget to share and help people. Do subscribe to this channel to stay updated.